Namaskar. This is one of my favorite and important TLM for primary schools. Through this TLM, students can learn gender change, antonym, and noun adjective transformation with great pleasure. For this TLM, at first I took a cardboard box and cut it to edge diagonally as shown in the video. Now I made the box a little steep with the help of glue and paper. I will give the box the shape of a post box. So I glued a red colored paper on the front of the box. Then I am decorating the box like a post box. I am making two holes in the length keeping the same size so that it seems to the children that it is a post box because I can give the idea of post boxes to the children of the current generation. Now I attached another cardboard diagonally to the bottom hole so that this cardboard works like a ramp. Then I placed the post box on another cardboard. I put a label on the box with the word post box written on it. I will also put two vocabulary boxes on both sides of the box. I will use Bengali vocabulary on one side and English vocabulary on the other side. So that I can teach in Bengali and English with the help of a TLM. Then I will use some word cards with the antonym of the word written on one side, written on the other side. When the children practice through this TLM, they will be able to learn with great joy and will be much more focused on the lesson. Thank you.